If you're running a digital agency and managing projects with spreadsheets, WhatsApp calls, and random Google Docs, you're leaking profit on every client. Missed deadlines, scope creep, who's doing what again? It's all just project management problems in disguise. So in this tutorial, I'll be breaking down the 5 best project management tools for digital agencies. Whether you do web design, SEO, paid ads, content, branding, or all of the above. We'll go from number 5 to number 1, and I'll be showing you which tool makes sense if you're a solo creator, a small digital agency of 3 to 5 persons, or a growing multi-team shop. Be sure to stick around until the end. And by the way, what are some criteria that makes a great project management software for a digital agency? First, client and project visibility. So you'll be able to see who's doing what and what's due. Also, it should give you templates for recurring projects, for example, websites, launches, and retainers. And also time and capacity tracking, so you don't overbook your team, and it should definitely have collaboration features. For example, comments, files, feedback, all in one place. And reporting features is a must. Delivery, workload, and profitability. Now that we have the criteria that we're looking for, let's dive in. And by the way, I've included links in the pinned comment and description of majority of these tools that offer free trials so you can quickly test them and sign up. And it will also help to support the channel. Now let's dive in. At number 5, we have Basecamp. Basecamp is a simple project hub that keeps messages, to-dos, files, and schedules in one place without feeling like enterprise software. It is best for small creative teams and branding and web agencies that want to reduce chaos, centralize communication, and avoid 50 different tools without overcomplicating things. So if we were to quickly talk about the key features when it comes onto Basecamp for agencies, first, to-do lists and basic task management, and also message boards to replace endless email threads, and simple scheduling and basic timelines, and file sharing and centralized docs per project, and campfire chat to keep project conversations out of WhatsApp and Slack chaos. And the reason why it is a great option for digital agencies: first, easy for clients to understand. They log in and see everything in one place. And it is great if you want less progress, friction, and more everyone knows what's happening. And perfect for small teams who hate fiddly setup. And if we were to check out the pricing when it comes onto Basecamp, you can use their free forever plan, or you could go onto their paid plan for as low as $15 per month. And coming in at number 4, we have Notion. Notion is a flexible workspace where you can build wikis, SOPs, content calendars, and project boards, all using the same building blocks. It is a good option for agencies that want one brain for the whole business, so processes, brand assets, and also client docs and project tracking in one place. If we were to quickly talk about some standout features when it comes onto Notion for agencies, first, databases for tasks, content, campaigns, and clients, and pages for SOPs, onboarding guides, checklists, and briefs, Kanban boards, calendars, and timeline views, and easy client portals built from Notion pages, and tons of templates for content, calendars, and project workflows. And the reason why it is a good option for digital agencies: first, you can literally build a custom agency OS, for example, project tracker plus wiki plus content system, and it is great for keeping processes and projects together. And clients can view deliverables and status via shareable pages. And when it comes onto their pricing, it varies depending on the size of your team, but you can get started for as low as $12 per month, and it can go up to $24 per month. And at number 3, we have Asana. Asana is a task and project management platform built around lists, boards, and timelines. It's strong at keeping multi-step projects organized. For example, an SEO word. Asana is best for agencies running campaigns, launches, and multi-step production flows. For example, SEO roadmaps, website builds, content pipelines, and ad campaigns. And the reason why it is a good option for digital agencies, clients and team members can see exactly what's next and who owns it. Great for campaign style work with multiple phases and approvals, and it is easy to break big deliverables into manageable tasks. And if we were to quickly look at their pricing, while you can get started for completely free, their monthly plan begins at $10.99 and it can go up to $24.99. At number 2, we have Teamwork. Teamwork is a project management platform designed specifically with agencies in mind, with features like client permissions, time tracking, and billing baked in. It is best for growing digital agencies that want projects, time tracking, and client collaboration in one platform without bolting on 10 different apps. If we were to quickly talk about the key features when it comes onto usage for agencies, first, projects with tasks, task lists, dependencies, and Gantt cards, and built-in time tracker on tasks and projects, and client users with control access. For example, they'll be able to see status, not your internal chaos, and invoicing and basic billing based on logged time, and portfolio view for seeing multiple client projects at once. And the reason why I think it is a great option for digital agencies, first, it is built around the realities of agency life, so retainers, billable hours, and multiple clients, and it makes it easier to connect effort, hours, invoices, and profitability, and a clean way to give clients visibility without giving them too much access. And when it comes onto the pricing for Teamwork, while you can get started for completely free, their monthly plan begins at $13.99 and it can go up to $25.99. And at number 1, we have none other than ClickUp. ClickUp is an all-in-one work management platform where you can run projects and tasks, docs and SOPs, time tracking and reporting, and even a simple CRM-style client pipeline. It is best for digital agencies that want one central command center for everything. Think client projects, internal ops, content, sprints, and team capacity. Some standout features when it comes onto ClickUp for agency usage: spaces for each department or service, multiple views, for example, lists, board, gang, calendar, workload, and more, native time tracking and integration with external time tools, ClickUp Docs for briefs, SOPs, and client strategy docs, and dashboards to track tasks in progress, due dates, capacity, and even basic profitability. And why it is number 1 when it comes onto usage for digital agencies, you can build a full agency OS, sales, pipeline, onboarding, production, Q&A, and reporting, and it works whether you're a 3-person team or a 30-plus person agency. Lets you standardize how you run web building, SEO retainers, ad campaigns, and content inside one system. And if we were to check out the pricing when it comes on the ClickUp, you can get started for completely free, and I've left a link in the description. But their monthly plan begins at $10 and it can go up to $19, as you can see right here. Now, if I were to quickly wrap this up, when it comes onto Basecamp, I would say it is best for simple, low-stress collaboration with clients, while Notion, on the other hand, is best for knowledge and projects in a flexible all-in-one workspace, and Asana is best for structured campaigns with clear timelines and dependencies, and Teamwork, I would say, is best for agency-focused PM with built-in time tracking and billing, and ClickUp is best all-round agency operating system for scaling your operation. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.